Hi everyone, my name is Sergio and today's date is December 28th, 2020, and today I'm gonna show you the way I'm gonna semi-factory unlock an iPhone and the new iPhone 12 Pro Max. Without further ado, let's open this baby up. This is the new iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let me take this on the side. And yes, unfortunately, we don't have any brick to charge our new iPhone. Here's the cable with the C connection. But anyway, I'll talk about side things. I'm gonna put this on the side. And like I mentioned before, this iPhone is locked to Spectrum Mobile, which is in Verizon network, but this is a little bit more, I believe, CDMA network. So I'm gonna put this on the side. And this is in today's date. My friends for GSM sent me this unlock chips. They're supposed to work on iPhone 6s all the way to the iPhone 12 Pro Max, including the SE2. Okay, so let me show you what I mean by semi-factory unlock. So as you can see, iPhone 12 Pro Max on iOS 13.3. It is SIM lock. If we click on it, it says this device might be restricted by the original carrier or have certain capabilities limit. So that means this phone only can work with Spectrum Mobile. There is network Spectrum Mobile. Let's do a test call. Sorry guys, I forgot to put the speaker on. Just want to make sure.
Welcome to Spectrum Mobile. This call may be monitored or recorded.
Spectrum Mobile. So this iPhone 12 Pro Max is logged to Spectrum Mobile, but I'm gonna be using T-Mobile. Okay. And like I mentioned to you before, this is a GM SIM for my friends for GM SIM. Shout out to you guys because the packaging is really cool. It takes care of the SIM card itself. So I'm gonna put the link in the description where you can get it. Also, I'm gonna put all the information in the description down below. ICCID number. And everything. Okay, so this is a GM SIM and this is an iPhone 12 Pro Max locked to Spectrum Mobile. Okay guys, so let's start the semi-factory unlock. So first things first, I'm gonna grab a SIM card for take a little sticker. It has like a little sticker on top covering the SIM card or the SIM chip or the unlock chip. So I'm gonna take this out. And this is a foldable one. This is one piece. It is good quality. Unfortunately, this chip can only work for XS all the way to 12 Pro Max. Okay, because if you cut it, this is a microchip. If you cut it in half, unfortunately, you won't be able to use it anymore. Okay, so with that being said, be careful. How do you handle these SIM cards? Some of them are very fragile. Just keep that in mind. If you damage it, if you damage the SIM unlock, please don't blame it on the seller. Mark it as a defective because it's a user error. Just be careful with that, okay? Okay guys, so I took out the Spectrum SIM card. Okay, put it on the side, and T-Mobile. Okay, so the SIM tray has the same same side of the GSM SIM, so that goes like this, and then our SIM card goes on top of it, like that, and then you fold it. And then, because this is kind of weird the way they did the SIM tray for the iPhone 12, I'm gonna put it in. This is no SIM card. I'm gonna put it in like that. I'm gonna wait for the menu to come out. There we go. GM LTE 4G Pro Plus. In this case, we're gonna choose the first option. We're gonna use ICC mode. It comes with one already preloaded. I'm going to delete the last four, and I'm gonna put 45, 55. Send. And then I'm going to hit accept. I'm gonna wait for the activation required. Dismiss. I'm gonna wait. I just like to wait a few seconds so I can detect the signal. And I'm on Wi-Fi. Remember to be on Wi-Fi all the time, and also to be on the latest iOS, which is 14.3. I'm just gonna unlock my phone like I normally do. This is over updated completed. 14.3 iOS. For some reason my camera today is not cooperating with me. I'm gonna continue, and then I'm just gonna let it wait for the activation to be completed. This is a GM SIM. Okay. Of course, to send me to the activation log for the iCloud account. You can put your email and password. In my case, you can choose unlock with passcode. I want to choose my passcode or use device passcode, and you're going to put your passcode. It's going to ask you for 2 or 3 times. It says your incorrect password. This is the second time. Just don't worry, just go with the flow. Incorrect password, try again. Okay, this is the 3rd time. There we go. T-Mobile. I'm gonna take the Wi-Fi off. Okay, and then T-Mobile 5G. Remember guys, the 5G connection depends on your area. I'm in San Antonio, so the 5G is working okay. Let me close the settings so we can refresh. And now let's go back to general, about, iPhone 12 Pro Max 14.3. And this is the important thing guys, no SIM restrictions. If I click on it and nothing happened, but it says no SIM restrictions, and it's running on T-Mobile network. Okay, so if I go back to cellular, SIM applications, you can see GM SIM LTE 4G Pro Plus. Okay, with that being said, before there's a bug, some kind of bug for this ICCID number that I put in, because it says no SIM restrictions. That means this phone can work with any any GSM network. Okay, this is what you need to look for. No SIM restrictions. Okay. So remember, before we need to leave everything inside. We need to leave the GSM in at all times in order for the phone to be working like a normal network. Remember, before if we take it out, it won't, the SIM lock, it won't be back to the spectrum. Okay, so let me make a test call.
Thanks for calling. As part of this call, T-Mobile may collect
T-Mobile.
information.
Okay, so let me do. Let me do a speed test. And this is for T-Mobile 5G network. Remember, like I said, the 5G connection works on your area, depends on your city. I'm outside of San Antonio, so my connection can be up and down. Like I said, depends on your area. So it's download 16.5 megabytes per second and upload 13.5, which is good. Back to Apple, just showing the connection. So let me do a test. I have another phone here. Let me send a text message. There you go. Some people were complaining about the photos. For some reason, the photos, they didn't print out. So I'm sending photo. Hopefully it goes through. But text messages or the iMessage is working. As you know, iMessage works based on your cellular service. There you go. We receive we are using regular text message and we are receiving photos. Okay, so let me send one just to send. There you go, it went out. So it is fully functional. It is working with no issues. So this is the interesting thing with this new bug for the ICCID. Allow us to take out. Sorry guys. I'm gonna take out the GSM. We already did the configuration and everything. Okay, so we're gonna take it out and put them on the side. And then I'm gonna insert the T-Mobile by itself, okay? And it's picking up LTE, T-Mobile. There you go, guys. Semi-factory unlock using the GSM with the ICC number that I'm going to provide on the description below. Also, I'm going to provide the link where you can get the GSM as well. So, with that being said, back to SIM no restrictions. That means this is semi-factory unlock. That means that you cannot restore or erase your phone to make a new. If you restore your phone or erase your phone and make new, you will lose this this configuration. So you have to do it again, and hopefully this can last long from the previous one. The previous one, the same semi-factor unlock, lasts almost a year and a half, almost 2 years, I believe. So with these guys, once you unlock your phone and you see no SIM restrictions, please do not reset or erase your phone to make a new. Also, do not update via iTunes. You can continue doing updates via Wi-Fi. So if I connect to Wi-Fi, go to update software, and then I have iOS automatically to do all the updates, that will be perfect. Your phone will be unlocked as long as you continue doing the updates via Wi-Fi. Okay, that's very important. Do the updates via Wi-Fi, and do not restore or erase your phone to make a new. If you do that, either or those two, you will lose the semi-factor unlock. Okay guys, so this is the way I do my unlocks for my customers. iPhone 12 Pro Max, originally from Spectrum, now it's working on T-Mobile semi-factor unlock. Well, hope you like this video. Like my video, subscribe. I'm gonna leave the descriptions for the ICC number and where you can get these SIM cards. Okay, well, have a nice day. Bye bye.